Are you tired of constantly switching tabs between ChatGPT and Gmail? Learn how to integrate them in under 3 minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 simple steps to install the WorkGPT add-on and start using ChatGPT right inside Gmail and Google Calendar. Start by clicking the 3-dotted line in the lower right corner to open the menu. Then select Get Add-ons from that menu. In the add-ons search bar, type in ChatGPT. Now click on WorkGPT from the search results. You'll see that WorkGPT includes a ChatGPT integration right there. Go ahead and click Install and follow the on-screen instructions. Once that's done, click Done to finish up. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.